name is Azuri Lewis and I'm a registered nurse. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of how to use your blood sugar machine, how to read your blood sugar machine, and how to protect your blood sugar machine. Let's get started. First, always start by washing your hands. Lay out all that you need in front of you. Your device, your lancet, your strips, your lancet needle, and cotton if needed. Start by massaging the finger of choice that you desire to use. Before opening your strip, ensure that your hands are always dry. Alcohol, water, or sanitizer can affect the strips negatively. Your strips has two ends, the silver side letting you know where to insert in the machine, and the colored side to place the blood on. Simply insert the strip in the device. The device will automatically come on. You'll see an indicator letting you know that it's ready to take the blood. Prick your finger. Place the blood on the strip. A reading will come up in just a few seconds. When finished, dispose of your strip appropriately. Now let's get to how to read your blood sugar machine. We're going to use the hand method today. 10 fingers. Once you wake up in the morning and you see a reading of less than 5, 4 or less, your blood sugar is considered to be low. When you wake up in the morning, it can range between 5 or 6. It's considered to be normal. Once you've had a meal, it can go up. 7, 8, 9, 10, still normal. However, if your blood sugar is over 10, 11, 12, going up, it's considered to be high. If it is severely high, we recommend that you go directly to your hospital or your doctor, or you can also have a protein snack if it is not severely high. Now let's talk about how to protect your blood sugar machine. Never wash your blood sugar machine. This can damage the device and also damage the strips. Simply put, do not leave the device or the strips in the sun for long periods of time. This can affect your device. Do not store your device or strip in a damp area. This can also damage your device. Ensure that you check the expiration date on the cap, because if the strip is expired, the strip will not work in the device. Ensure that you store all your items in the pouch and place in a cool, dry place. And lastly, if there are any problems with your device, the lancet pen, or the strips, you can speak to your healthcare provider, your nurse, or your pharmacist. Remember, your health is your responsibility.